Hello. Now, many Asian investors are interested in President Joe Biden's policy priorities in his first 100 days, especially on any measures to ease trade and economic tension with China. We believe domestic issues such as controlling the pandemic and boosting economy will be his priorities. So in the first 3 days of his administration, President Biden has signed 30 executive orders and directives. 14 of them were relating to combating the COVID pandemic, and 4 were in supporting the economy. His objective to provide 100 million vaccines to Americans by the end of April is on track, as daily vaccinations in the US has reached 1 million people. He has also proposed a $1.9 trillion economic rescue package that will provide additional $1,400 to each American below a certain income level, expand unemployment benefits, as well as allocating billions of dollars to schools, hospitals, and local governments. Now, if the US is able to improve its pandemic situation by mid-year and keep the economic momentum in the months ahead, the economic recovery in the second half of the year should be strong, and this should support risk assets such as US equities and US high-yield corporate bonds. Now, on foreign policy, President Biden's priority has been on improving multilateral relationship with traditional US allies such as Europe, Canada, and Japan. He's also leading the US back to international organizations such as the World Health Organization and the Paris Agreement on Climate Change. Since China is seen as a long-term strategic competitor on various fronts, we think the Biden administration will not reverse the tariffs, exports, and financial restrictions on Chinese companies in the near term before negotiating with China. The good news is that this is also likely to be more predictable in its action against China and reduce market uncertainty. This should be a positive for global economy and support Asian equities.